Students from CSC department. This is to inform you that from this year we are going through comprehensive viva online. We have taken this method to reduce time, and the questions get repeated. With this, the questions doesn't get repeated, and the pattern is the total marks is 100 marks, and the number of bits will be 200. And we'll be having 6 subjects, out of which 4 has to be selected, and each subject has 30 bits, and it totals to 120 bits, 4 into 30, and we have 5 languages, out of which we need to select, and C is mandatory, and it has 40 bits, and each bits carry half mark. Next. And the total number of subjects are these. From each subject, the faculty needs to select 100 bits. Each unit consists of 20 bits according to R13 regulation. The faculty will be, the questions allotted to the faculty, and the faculty will be intimated. The questions to be selected is intimated by the project coordinator, and there will be 4 faculty members, and every one of them has to select 100 bits from each subject. For example, we have DWDM and DBMS. We have, according to R13 regulation, we have 5 units, and we need to select 20 questions from each unit, which totals to 100 total questions. Similarly with COOS and remaining subjects. And coming to the languages, the process is similar with C as mandatory, and we need to select, those who attempt the exam need to select any one language from Java, LP, WT, and DS. And this is what the online portal looks like. When student logs in, he have these kind of dashboard kind of thing. And for demonstrations, we just used Java and .NET. When we select .NET, next, this happens. We just gave here 10. Whereas in real time we'll be having 30 questions, and we'll be having 30 minutes duration. And this is what the actual attempt to exam looks like. We'll be having the question and 4 options. These are the buttons. This is review later. This is when you attempt a question, and when you click on review later, it needs to be reviewed later. And when you click clear, the option you selected gets cleared, and this is to select the save and next. When we select the option, and it is used to save and proceed to the next question. And these are like when green shows answered, red unanswered, review, and this is non-visited. Next. And when you complete the exam, this is what the dialog pops up is, do you really want to submit the quiz? If it is, if you want to submit, you can click submit, or if you want to go back, you can go back to cancel. And when you submit, you just have results instantly. When you press click here to result, click here to view the result, you'll have this. You'll have a complete description, the score obtained, the time spent in minutes, attempt time, that is when you have started the exam, and the percentage, status, and percentile. For example, this is a case of failed, and this is the total report. This is the example how this comprehensive online works. For example, let us consider subject CO, which consists of 100 bits. The people, the faculty, the bits needs to be selected by faculty, which comprises of four members. One of them is senior most faculty, and they need to prepare bits from 2 units, and the remaining faculty needs to prepare bits from single unit, and from each unit the bits needed to be selected is 20. And next process, which consists of Excel sheet, will be explained by Sanjana. Thanks.
Good afternoon. Coming to the Excel sheet which should be prepared by the faculty, the serial number here should be 0 for every question. The 0 here will be placed because each question should not be repeated in all the systems. Each student will get different questions, that is random questions from all those 20 questions. This is kept for the security purpose. So 0 should be mentioned in the serial number. Here in the question column, the question should be mentioned. Next, the description column should be left empty. Here the correct option number. Then the four options should be placed in the question pattern. So option 1, option 2, option 3 and option 4. Let us take an example how the question should be entered in the Excel sheet. Here comes the question, what is 2 plus 2? For that, the options would be option 1 5, option 2 4, option 3 3 and option 4 6. The correct answer is placed in the option 2, that is 4. So the option number should be mentioned in the correct option, not the answer. In that way, the pattern should be prepared in the Excel sheet and it must be saved. Thank you.